This is the most common question I've been getting, so I thought I'd walk through and describe the progress that Optifold outlines and expects for its users. So in your first 2 weeks of using the overnight crease-forming tapes, your double eyelids should be able to last just 1 hour after tape removal, and this is the stage that I'm in currently. Near the end of your first month of nightly use, your double eyelids should be able to last at least 8 hours a day after removal. And then after 4 months of using Optifold consistently, your double eyelids should be able to last all day easily, 90% of the time. After 5 months, if you find that your crease is able to stay for more than 2 days in a row, you should be able to gradually wean off of them. You can follow along with me here and see if Optifold lives up to its claims. I took this 1 hour after removing my tapes in the morning. Creases are still going strong, and this is me 2 hours after removing my tapes in the morning. And while my creases are still in place, they were noticeably weaker, and you can tell that I had to hold my eyes pretty still to keep the crease in place. So this is expected per Optifold's progress guide. In the first 2 weeks, they're only supposed to last an hour after tape removal. I just got back from the gym, and it's been more than 6 hours since I've woken up and taken off the Optifold overnight tapes. And I just wanted to show how my right eye has kind of reverted to its normal shape. And my left eye has actually held the shape, but something to keep in mind is that my left eye held this shape most of the time, even before I started Optifold. So my purpose with Optifold was to get this eye to stay this shape permanently and to get this eye to eventually match. So the fact that this eye has gone back to its original state is totally expected. Because I'm only in the first week of using the tapes, it's only supposed to be lasting about an hour. So by the end of 4 weeks, I should be able to see both eyelids hold their shape for up to, I think it was 5 or 8 hours. I'll keep tracking my progress and keep you guys updated.